An IPS display is a type of LCD screen used in many smartphones, tablets, and monitors. It is designed to provide stable colors, good brightness, and wide viewing angles. No matter how the screen is tilted, the image remains clear and consistent. IPS displays are commonly used for reading text, viewing photos, watching videos, and browsing the web. They are built to be reliable and comfortable for long periods of use. For most users, the technology behind the screen is never something they think about. In this case, the device being examined is an iPhone 6s. It uses an IPS display that people interact with constantly throughout the day. Messages, notifications, social media, and videos all pass through this surface. Before placing the phone under the microscope, the display is cleaned. Fingerprints and dust are removed to avoid interference during observation. At higher magnification, even minor surface contamination can become visible. Once cleaned, the phone looks completely ordinary. The screen appears smooth and uniform, just as it does during everyday use. Now the entire phone is placed under the microscope. Let's take a closer look at the structure of this IPS display and see how it is actually built beneath the surface. At 80 times magnification, the display surface immediately loses its smooth appearance. Instead of glass, a dense repeating pattern fills the entire frame. Rows of colored elements stretch across the image in straight parallel lines. Each row follows the same spacing and alignment, forming a highly ordered grid. Red, green, and blue components are clearly distinguishable, arranged side by side in consistent groups. Dark gaps separate each color element, creating clear boundaries between pixel structures. These gaps prevent colors from blending into one another and help maintain image clarity. The pattern repeats without interruption, extending evenly in all directions. At this level, the screen no longer feels continuous. It appears modular, built from countless small units rather than a single surface. What normally appears as a smooth image is revealed to be the result of strict organization and repetition. This magnification shows the foundation of how the display works. Light, color, and detail are not spread evenly across glass. They are carefully distributed through an exact geometric arrangement. At 200 times magnification, the pixel structure becomes even more defined. Individual red, green, and blue subpixels are now clearly visible. Their shapes appear rectangular and tightly aligned within the grid. The spacing between subpixels is consistent, forming a stable and predictable pattern. Each color element occupies a specific position and role in the display. There is no randomness in the layout. Every unit is precisely placed to control brightness and color output. At this scale, the screen no longer feels like glass or light. It looks like a microscopic control system built from repeating structures. Together, these tiny elements create every image, every line of text, and every video frame seen on the phone. If you want to see how everyday technology looks beyond normal vision, like the video, subscribe to the channel and follow along as we explore more hidden structures under the microscope.